Hello, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and today I'll show you how to connect with OnceHub's MCP server using Claude Desktop's MCP client. This would allow you to train your AI agent or configure your agent in using information from OnceHub's MCP server and using the tools to get available time slots as well as schedule a meeting on a specific booking calendar. To get started, you can log into your OnceHub account and go to the Account Integrations section. From here, you can go to the API keys and webhooks section to generate your API key. Once you have this information, you can go to the Claude Desktop client and go to these settings and click on developers. From here, we can click on the edit config file to go ahead and edit the configuration file. I already have the JSON code ready with me where I have pointed the MCP server to our OnceHub MCP URL. The header that is being used is authorization, and there is a bearer prefix in the JSON code. Once we have updated the code, we can simply restart the desktop client and see if the chat is able to retrieve the MCP server tools or not. So let's try a chat with the AI agent. I will have to provide a booking calendar ID in this scenario. You can also instruct your AI bot to use a specific booking calendar for different scenarios. So it looks like all of the available time slots were retrieved correctly. So let's try to schedule a meeting using some random information to see if it is possible to use the OnceHub MCP tool for scheduling a meeting. We will do it for Wednesday, 1:30 p.m. I've just provided some random details so that we can see if the agent can go ahead and schedule a booking or not. The time zone that has been asked, I have provided it as Eastern time. So it looks like the booking was successfully scheduled. We can also go to OnceHub to see this. So here is the meeting that was correctly scheduled. So this is how you can connect your OneSub MCP server to Claude's MCP client. I hope this video was helpful. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com. I hope you have a good day and take care.